It's the old record button. All right, guys, so welcome to your first live interactive training with, can you see my card there?
Yep.
Okay. Civil industry training, competency design and assessments, and as well as wheels, tracks and rollers. So fantastic. So anybody watching the replay will be able to know exactly who we are and what we're doing. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my other screen, and let's see if that works for you guys. Can you see my board okay?
Yep.
What about you, Ronald? Can you see that board okay?
Yep.
Okay. Well, up on your left-hand side there, you can see that you've got some objectives that we're going to go through today. And we're just going to be looking at cubic volumes, square meters of circles in particular, and cubic meters of stockpiles, their weights, in particular concerning pipes and manholes, okay? So what I'll do is I'll just get up there so you can actually see me as well.
He's got everything at home.
Yeah, he's got his own no mufflers, bro.
We are green too.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Good. So as you can see, these are our objectives for today. I've just drawn up a couple of pictures of a manhole, and we've got some concrete pipes. We've got a representation of a stockpile, and we've got a cube there. Okay, so we're just going to calculate the cubic volumes. So any of you guys had a pie for lunch today?
Yep.
Okay. What flavour was it, Terence?
A bacon and egg.
A bacon and egg. Was it a square one or a round one?
The round one.
Okay, cool. So when you picked up that pie, how far across was the diameter? Do you know what I mean by diameter? From one side of the pie to the other?
Like that?
Yeah, straight across. So if you hold your pie in your hand and you're looking at it from one edge to the other edge, straight across the top, how far across the top was it?
About that far?
Yeah, how many mils?
Would it be?
About 10 mil.
10 mil. 15?
No, what I mean, but you see this here, just see this drawing up here on the board.
Oh, yes, I see, yeah.
Yeah, from side to side. How far across do you reckon it was?
Yeah.
About 150 mil, something like that.
100.
About 100 mil across.
Yep.
Okay. I'll just draw a circle down here. And from there to there is 100 mil across. So that's a representation of your pie, okay? So when we talk about calculating the square area of a surface, like a dinner plate or the top of your pie, what we mean by squares, we can't put little circles in here and try and measure it in circles. What we have to do is we have to put a grid across the top of that circle, and we have to measure it in squares. Okay, so that's how we have to measure it. So that's why, how many square meters, for that surface area of that circle or of that object. So what we need to do first is we're going to. Have you guys got a bit of pen and paper? If you guys get a bit of pen and paper out, we'll make some drawing.
Bring the paper. Yeah, we'll just get him some paper.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Let's get some paper in here. How's all that print paper gone? on Chris.
So there you go.
Here, this brick paper and what you get.
Oh,
But it's yeah, sorted.
Okay. So what I want you to do, you know the concrete manholes that are out in the yard there, and each of those concrete manholes, they've got a base, a concrete base. Okay. So just draw that concrete base, just like you see on the board here. Okay. And you can work with me as we go along. So just draw a circle like that, and then just draw down the side. So this is your side.
so like a 3D.
Yeah, I mean, just draw it the best you can. It doesn't have to be accurate, so just do it as you can.